Good day everyone. So today we're going to know what is a BlueSeer ERP system and how this kind of ERP system can benefit a business or any organization. So what is a BlueSeer ERP system? An ERP package that is typically used in the area of manufacturing, both small and medium-sized business. It does not come with any cost, no trial fee, no registration fee, and free from any charge. An ERP system that is a graphical user interface client server that can be set up on a local single PC or can be accessed over a bigger network. Its goals is to give the manufacturing companies the basic elements that are necessary for default installation for them to operate without any issues. It allows them to customize and manage their software without having to spend too much on a proprietary support.
We're going to tackle about the main features and functions of BlueSeer. So these are the main features of BlueSeer. The first one is standard costing. Next is transport management, MRP functionality, inventory tracking, production reporting, scheduling, warehouse management, distribution management, accounting, label generation, product or shop floor, purchasing, scanning or EDI, multiple level BOM, and sales management. So the first function is standard costing. Standard costing is a practice of substituting an expected cost for an actual cost in the accounting records. Next is the transport management. Transport management is a logistic platform that allows users to manage and optimize the daily operations of their transportation fleets. Its primary function is to plan and execute the physical movement of goods. Let's move on to MRP functionality. MRP stands for Material Requirements Planning. MRP is a planning and control system for inventory, production, and scheduling. MRP converts the master schedule of production into a detailed schedule so that you can purchase raw materials and components. These are the basic functions of MRP system. First is the inventory control. The second one is bill of material processing. The third one is elementary scheduling. So MRP helps organization to maintain low inventory levels. Let's proceed to inventory tracking. Inventory tracking monitors its company inventory resides in the supply chain. It also provides a company with data on how much inventory it owns, where its inventories exist, and the status of its inventories. So these are the status of inventories: damaged, returned, rejected, and on hold. So it helps determine the thief and the loss of the items. Next is production reporting or the PR. Production reporting is a filmmaking term for the form filled out each day of production of movie or television show to summarize what occurred that day. The purpose of this form is to keep track of the production progress and expenses and to help determine what salary is owed to the cast and the crew. The next one is scheduling. This is the process of arranging, controlling, and optimizing work and workloads in a production process or manufacturing process. The purpose of scheduling is to minimize the production time and cost by telling a production facility when to make, with which staff, and on which equipment. The next one is warehouse management. Warehouse management is the control of the day-to-day operation of the warehouse, such as the shipping, receiving, put away, and picking of goods. Warehouse management is a process, control, and optimization of a warehouse operation from the entry of inventory into a warehouse, multiple warehouse, until items are moved, sold, or consumed.
Next is the distribution management. Refers to the process of overseeing the movement of goods from supplier of manufacturer to the point of sale. Next is accounting. is the measurement, processing, and communication of financial and non-financial information about economic entities such as business and corporation. Next is label generation. Final label is generated on the basis of released label template. Does not contain any data during the final label generation, but before printing, all data is determined and output. Next is product or shop floor. Products are made in factory. Proper safety procedures for the shop floor, also the workers in a factory managerial control of the shop floor. A shop floor is the area of a factory, machine, or the space in a retail establishment where goods are sold to consumers. Next is purchasing. A purchase means to take possession of a given asset, property, item, or right by paying a predetermined amount of money for the transaction to be completed successfully. In other words, it's an exchange of money for the particular goods or service. Next is scanning. Scanning or EDI. Useful tool for speeding up your reading. You scan when you look for your favorite show listed in a cable guide, for your friend's phone number in a telephone book, and for the sports scores in a newspaper. Next is the multiple level or BDM. A multiple level or BDM or bill of materials is a list that components, assembles, and materials required to make a part. It provides a display of all components that are directly or the indirectly used in parent item. And lastly is the sales management. Is the process of developing a sales force, coordinating sales operations, and implementing sales techniques that allow a business to consistently hit and even surpass its sales target.
BlueSeer ERP was developed for manufacturing, warehouse, and transportation companies who wish to customize and maintain their own software without the need of high-cost proprietary support or the hurdles of proprietary source code. BlueSeer's design, toolset, and open-source availability favor the large community of Java and database developers to support customization and maintenance, and therefore is a serious contender for companies that are looking for better, less costly software solutions. BlueSeer's accounting module provides a double-entry general ledger along with accounts receivable and accounts payable standard module in real time. ERP functionality is tightly integrated with purchasing, production, and shipping to provide you a consistent picture of your inventory status and order requirements. BlueSeer provides warehouse and distribution modules to assist distribution and inventory between warehouses and shipping locations. Production tracking and reporting are standard with optional reporting at all operations of the product or final operation depending on your needs. Tendering, freight orders, and delivery status are available functionality provided using EDI transactions between carriers and customers. Sales, shipping, and distribution are streamlined for simple operation with automatic ledger, reporting, and inventory usage, adjustment upon shipment. A variety of charting and reporting is available for sales analysis. Purchasing and receiving modules are provided with automatic inventory adjustments and visibility flags of pending inventory depletion issues. BlueSeer provides integrated EDI and barcode scanning functionality. BlueSeer supports the following EDI transactions AIAG shipping label formats are also supported. BlueSeer is an innovative ERP solution that is freely available for the manufacturing community. It is a powerful software featuring a comprehensive toolset and large pool of developers that brings many benefits. BlueSeer is a free, open-source solution that is vastly cost-efficient than the customary ERP application. It is an effective software that enables SMEs to achieve their business goals without the limitation of high-cost proprietary implementation and support. The multifaceted process of implementing an enterprise resource planning software, even a free one, can be intimidating. But that is not the case with BlueSeer. The solution offers a large pool of well-versed Java and DB developers to support its implementation, customization, and maintenance. It also provides implementation services for business looking to capitalize on this open-source platform but lacks the capacity to effectively implement all the features it offers. In addition, companies can take advantage of the development services offered to users looking to customize or expand BlueSeer's functionality to align with their business requirements and processes. Better still, BlueSeer is a highly customizable solution that can function more than just an ERP system, thanks to its open-source nature. The platform offers unprecedented customizability that gives it an added advantage of functioning as a peripheral custom program. This makes it cheaper, easier, and more practical to integrate a custom solution like it within the structure of your ERP system to leverage its core functionality. The beauty of its customizability is that it permits you to build a solution that exemplifies all the vital requirements of an ERP system while providing a quick startup application kit to support your existing stack.
Was insightful, grateful transparency to make informed decisions every day with analytics that are built on into everyday process.
With the use of the BlueSeer ERP package, it allows companies to decrease the time it takes the company to get paid for its goods and services after the sale. It is an effective software that enables small and medium enterprises to achieve their business goals without the limitation of high-cost proprietary implementation and support. In this case, this ERP software generates solution that is of great help to the company. BlueSeer provides strong functionalities and as well as features that is clearly out of the box together with its matchless customizability and flexibility. The solution offers a large pool of well-versed Java and database developers to support its implementation, customization, and maintenance. The platform offers unprecedented customizability that gives it an added advantage of functioning as a peripheral custom program. This makes it cheaper, easier, and more practical to integrate a custom solution login within the structure of your ERP system to leverage its core functionality. Because of the utilization of the BlueSeer's ERP system that is an integrated system architecture, it removes the necessity for multiple, different systems to be used within the company and affiliates the same system across multiple geographies. BlueSeer ERP system increases productivity by integrating data and processes across multiple departments and locations, which allows our company to move product faster, process orders quicker, and invoice customers more aptly, and reconcile shipments sooner. BlueSeer performs a lot of work at the same time, not to mention its toolset, open source design, and availability to make it one of the best ERP solutions that give businesses the freedom to support implementations and maintenance.
BlueSeer is a freely available enterprise resource planning, or we call ERP, for businesses as well as personal finances. BlueSeer is completely free searching. It can be daunting and expensive, but everything is well maintained and operated by developers for smooth processing. There is no negative effects or feedbacks about BlueSearch because BlueSearch is very amazing and almost incredible by its own performance.